Welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a McCulloch 605 Power Mac 605 chainsaw. This was made about 1987. This saw weighs 18.3 pounds with a 20-inch bar and chain. Capable of running up to a 24. This one features a 20-inch sprocket nose bar with a chipper chain. And we'll take a look at this. Get up close. There's your controls right here. Got choke right there, that blue button. Pull that back towards you. Has a manual override on the oiler, automatic and manual oiling. Kill switch right here. And it's got a throttle lock right in the handlebar here. Throttles that up. Has a working chain brake. Gas fill and oil fill right here. And just a good firewood cutting chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.